Perfect. Perfect.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Thursday the 5th, so I guess I can call it Vlogmas Day 5. Today, of course, I did off a vlog. I have lyrics here to do today, guys. Oh, it actually looked really cute on camera. Hold on. I did something to my nails. I kind of just put on some polish and just put some glitter on it and just gel top coat. Kind of look cute, oddly. Yeah, I won't be going to the salon for a while. I got the lamp and everything. I try to save the money there next year. Today I'll be doing lyrics here. I'm super excited. Y'all already know, like, when we link up alone madness, like I cannot wait to see her again. So today I'll be doing GYPSIE locks on her. My friend Scribble will be taking me. You guys would have met him in the previous vlog. So we'll go shoo, got a lyric place and sort out her here. And I'm also going to be doing a friend of hers today. See, I'm basically after I finish I'm gonna do a friend. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I don't know if I'm trying to do vlogmas, guys, but what I don't know if I'm going to be doing is grouping the days, because probably that would be easier. I'm posting every day. And last night I was editing and my laptop gave out on me. You guys have known I've been needing a laptop for the longest time, so I'm trying to get one for the new year. But yeah, so morning just light on the place. It's so freaking hot. But y'all know, you know, we're gonna start out the thing. So by the time I wait for Scribble, I just drop off my last school. And I've been using my phone to do videos more often now, which I kind of don't want to get into the habit of, because I don't know, once you start like overuse your phone is gonna start acting stupid, and I don't want that to happen because it's already doing a lot of madness, like powering off and all kinds of shit. But I'm going to actually see if I can get some stuff done like quickly on the way there, or I don't know, I try to kill one heap of bird with one stone today, because I do have a ride right now. So I'm trying to do as much as I can while I can to see if, you know, get some stuff done. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Vlogmas Day 5. 3 and 4 nothing never really happened. Marla's birthday was Vlogmas Day 1. So I think I'm just gonna group them by days and post them like that, because it's easier than for me to put out a video every single day, especially when I'm not really doing anything. So this is gonna be Vlogmas Day 5. So stay tuned.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey you guys, good morning. Vlogmas Day 6. I'm running on the road. It's Friday. I'm about to run some errands and I'm feeling super cute. Yeah, y'all know I'm not really like walk on talk on my phone or on my phone, so I'll talk to you guys later. Come, go in. Go. Wait, no, we're going. Come here, son. Come here, son. Go. Step back. Go, go, go. Over. Sit down. Sit. Guys. I'm about to go pick up some food. The food from the see if I can catch this here. So yeah, guys, I got a call. I was trying to say I'm gonna pick up the barbecue foods now and go eat, because it's like after 3 to 4 or after 4 now, and I haven't eaten all day from morning. Like literally all I had is a cup of coffee and that's it. So I gotta go get them food there now and grab box me down. Sorry for the angle. I keep on leave the thing in the house. Hold on. Mr. So-and-so. Oh, this paint. Alright guys, hold on, it's gonna come. Alright guys, so I don't know if I mentioned this morning, but I'm trying to get a laptop. So I'm buying the MacBook now. I really like these lashes, so. But I eat the food was really good. But yeah, I just go buy purchase the laptop now. They're outside doing the transaction. And get familiar with this so I can start editing with it. I think I'm going to start wearing my hair like this more often because it's really cute. Like I'll just switch up the color wrap that I have on there. Look at this girl just sleep. So tired. Marley. I straight good over evil. Me no beg people things. Me no follow back a man. Me don't ever make a dollar much respect a gun. Me no see people things. And I should both me and you. And I saw me grow and I saw me program.